Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about 2+, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 gone here to find the value of u. So the square root of a square, you got about 8. When s equals to 8, so we put 8 gone here. And we have u equals to 8 with the square root of number 2. Number 0 we change for 8. 8 we change for this one. This one we change for u. S ds we change for u du. This one that is about u square. The integration of u square that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from a to a with the square root of number 2. And now we put this one gone here. And now we have the final answer. That is about negative 8 to the power of 3 plus number 2 with 8 to the power of 3 with the square root of number 2 over number 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.